I think that was Berman.
What are these cheerleaders on the side there? What are they doing on the hill?
I don't know.
I guess they're cheering you.
We didn't.
Those are
Is that a big waterfall? You're gonna run
Oh, that's
through that
Ronald
waterfall?
McDonald.
Yeah.
They said they want this in.
Calories engage your arm.
They said they wanted this in the pocket, but I don't know if it's gonna work as well. I'm swinging this. It's not always like the best at detecting it.
I guess you're going that way.
Who's that guy?
Oh, it's Whopper Jr. in the yellow.
She's got some people now that, well, they're a little faster than her, but
Wait,
they don't come
there's
clipping.
a lot of gray-haired ones. That means it's the Marcuses and the dog.
The dogs.
Who's that lady wave?
I think one of them's a Woodman.
She's lucky she don't fall over when she's looking the other way.
And then one of them's the Wendy's guy, Dave. Wendy.
Dave Thomas from Wendy's.
Yeah, he's one of the characters. Dave Thomas. I think he might be running up there ahead of us. I can't run as fast as Dave. This is a long one. Halfway.
No, it's called Dove.
Oh, Eric's here in the red, I think. Oh, that's Dell in the blue. Oh, I think that's Sands. He didn't turn out too well.
That looks scary.
So what about this stuff?
Yeah, we could do that
Did
one.
we didn't do that already?
I don't remember.
I don't either.
You did a face cream and then you did something else.
I think this is
No, I think we did do that one.
calm water gel.
We did that one because we kept
Yeah, I
saying the
thought-
name weird. Dermatologue.
Yeah. Oh yeah, dermatologia.
Yeah,
Oh.
we did that one. Remember we struggled with the
Yeah, I
name.
couldn't pronounce
It's
it.
first place, but it's still 1 star. 41%.
All right.
And with Meatball and Dirk here.